Hello and welcome to Atoms and Apples, your guide to the future of the internet. I'm your host, Professor Adla. Today, in the digital age we are living in, we stand at a crossroads. We are faced with a choice. Do we embrace change or do we resist it? If you're brave enough to embrace change, let's proceed together. Our discussion centers on blockchains, one of the most important innovations of the digital age. Blockchains are decentralized digital systems spread across a network of computers. Blockchains are digital databases created to protect our data and preserve transparency and trust. As we navigate this digital evolution, three blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cosmos, stand out. So, if you're ready, let's embark on this journey together. Our journey begins with Bitcoin. In October 2008, an anonymous person or group by the name Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper describing an electronic cash system called Bitcoin. Bitcoin uses a blockchain to allow anyone with an internet connection to participate in the global economy. To understand how Bitcoin works, imagine a master public database. This public database is secured by a network of computers called nodes. The people who run the nodes are called miners. Every time a transaction is made on the Bitcoin blockchain, the nodes that power the network record the transaction in the master database. To date, there are over 10,000 nodes securing the Bitcoin network. All these nodes compete with each other to be the first to verify the validity of a transaction. The node that is the first to verify the validity of a transaction is rewarded with new Bitcoins. That, in a nutshell, is how Bitcoin works. Bitcoin is designed for anyone, anywhere to send and receive payments. Bitcoin offers us an alternative to traditional currencies and financial systems. Bitcoin has shown us that a digital currency can exist without the need for a central authority. It solves a major problem in the financial world. Bitcoin may have been the first digital currency, but it's not the only one. Enter Ethereum. In 2013, Vitalik Buterin created Ethereum. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum uses blockchain technology to record, verify, and store data. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum is powered by a network of computers. And like Bitcoin, Ethereum has its own decentralized digital currency called Ether. But unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum enables the creation of decentralized applications, smart contracts, and tokens. Now I realize I've thrown some terms you may not have heard of. So let's go ahead and define those terms. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are a type of software that run on a decentralized network like Ethereum and allow you to perform specific tasks. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are almost exactly like apps. But while apps run on centralized servers controlled by one entity, for example, a company like Apple or Google, dApps are run on decentralized networks that use blockchain technology. Now let's move on to smart contracts. Smart contracts are digital agreements enforced by code. A smart contract works like a vending machine. In a vending machine, you put in your money, the machine checks if you've paid enough, and then only if you have, the machine gives you what you wanted. That's kind of how smart contracts work. Smart contracts are important because they automate trust. And lastly, let's discuss tokens. Tokens are digital assets stored on a blockchain like Ethereum. Think of tokens as digital certificates or currencies. Tokens represent ownership or access to a certain product or a service. Tokens can be used to represent practically anything. That's what makes them such a powerful technology. As our world continues to embrace public blockchains, Ethereum will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of finance, data privacy, and many other areas of our lives. Now we're going to introduce a third blockchain. In 2019, Jae Kwon and Ethan Buckman launched Cosmos. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cosmos uses blockchain technology to record, verify, and store data. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cosmos is powered by a network of decentralized computers called nodes. And like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cosmos has its own decentralized digital currency called atoms. But unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which both have their own blockchains, Cosmos is a network of many blockchains that work together. The best way to understand Cosmos is to imagine it as a continent made up of different countries, where each country is an independent blockchain with its own rules and design features. But just as countries in a continent work together for common objectives, the blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem work together to form a larger, more interconnected ecosystem. Cosmos aims to be an internet of blockchains. Cosmos imagines an interconnected network of diverse blockchains sharing knowledge and working together to achieve more than any single blockchain could. Cosmos' superpower is its interoperability. Interoperability is you being able to use your Xbox to play Fortnite against your friend using his PlayStation while your other friend uses her iPhone. Interoperability is the ability of different systems, devices, or software to work together and exchange data. Interoperability is important for 3 reasons: increased efficiency, increased innovation, and enhanced experiences for us all. Because of its focus on interoperability, Cosmos has the potential to transform how we think about and use blockchain technology. We've embarked on a journey to 3 blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cosmos. It's important to understand that each blockchain is unique in its function. Let's put this into perspective with some analogies. Let's start with Bitcoin. I want you to start thinking about Bitcoin as digital gold. Like gold, Bitcoin is scarce and decentralized. But while gold has been considered a reliable store of value for thousands of years, time will tell if the same can be said about Bitcoin. Next is Ethereum. I want you to start thinking of Ethereum as the world computer. Ethereum is a global computer that is not owned by anyone, but is open to everyone, everywhere, at all times. Let me say that again. Ethereum is a global computer that is not owned by anyone, but is open to everyone, everywhere, at all times. Just think of the possibilities. Ethereum serves as the spine for the internet economy. And finally, we have Cosmos. I want you to start thinking of Cosmos as the internet of blockchains. Imagine Cosmos as a community of independent yet interoperable blockchains. This ecosystem operates on a simple yet profound belief that together we achieve more. As we continue on our journey, remember, this is just the beginning. At the start of the episode, we welcomed you to the future of the internet. You should know that this future is not for everyone. Some will be left behind. This future is only for those of you that are curious and committed to learn and explore. Also, none of this is financial or investment advice. Everything I've said is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies are risky investments. But we're going to the future. It's not for everyone, but I'm glad you're here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. And thank you for your commitment.